My name is Gavin Gardner. I'm working with Bryson Gardner, Ryan Atkinson, and Matt Atkinson, and we're AG3 Labs. Here at AG3 Labs, we're revolutionizing the way that drones work together in use cases like solar farm inspections and large infrastructure work using drones. By using drones that communicate and work together, we can decrease the amount of time and cost it takes to do these large aerial inspections. What really inspired us to start this adventure was our drone research at Michigan State. We've been doing drone research for about 6 years now and won a few NASA grants along the way. We really enjoy the work in the drone industry. We think there's a lot of areas where we can actually use our skills and help the world out. What motivates us to be entrepreneurs is working with a bright and intelligent team, being able to solve difficult issues, and being able to meet like-minded engineers. What we enjoy about being part of the Burgess New Venture Challenge is giving us that stage to present our idea and to show the hard work that we've been putting into this challenging problem. I think it's super important to learn how this new technology works and to be able to responsibly use it to help others. What I see for the future of this company is that drones are slowly becoming part of our everyday life, and if we're able to responsibly use this technology, we can have a huge impact on hundreds, thousands, or even millions of people. We're actually sourcing and building these drones fully domestically in the USA. We've been able to design this product from the ground up and actually redefine what drones are capable of doing. We found an unmet need for drones that are able to be controlled by one operator that can complete several tasks like ISR, payload delivery, and inspections all in one. Michigan State gave us the perfect platform and the perfect setting for us to hone in our technical knowledge as well as become better entrepreneurs and researchers.